Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here from Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I wanted to point out I am standing right here by where Diary of a Wimpy Kid would be, and everybody loves the Diary of a Wimpy Kid book, so you'll notice they're all checked out. But I have this sign right here that tells you all about the different books that you might like if you like Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So some of them are the James Patterson iFunny series. He has tons of these books over there. There's also Timmy Failure. I think there's like 3 or 4 in this series. And then everybody also loves the Dork Diaries books. And then there's one called Planet Tad that used to be a Lone Star book. And in this one, Tad is setting out to make his 7th grade year the best that it can possibly be. But little does he know that he has to deal with his annoying sister and then everything that middle school brings with it. So they're all very funny. They're realistic fiction and things that you can easily relate to. So if you like the Diary of a Wimpy Kid books, then I encourage you to check out Tim Carville, Planet Tad, any of the Rachel Russell Dork Diaries. Timmy Failure is in the PAS, and then all of the James Patterson books. So we have lots of choices for you. So I hope to see you soon. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.